Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Idaho Adventures. Here with Ryan. We got some turkeys gobbling over here. So we're going to make our way over to this field. See if they come out in it. It's be dark in about 3 hours, so we hope we get one. Setting up the decoy right now, seeing if we can call something in. Alright guys, I've tucked myself in the bush here. Got the decoy is right there. Ryan is right there. I'm gonna start calling. Got some turkeys over here. Hopefully they come out. Alright, so we're pretty far away actually. Yeah. It's Tech and Onyx. We're on this old logging road and it just looks amazing for turkeys, and we got some gobbling back way over here, and you can look over here. You can just see how dense and thick this timber is. So, I mean, it looks like this is going to take us where we want to be, to where we think the turkeys are going to roost tonight, so we're going to head up that way. Wish us luck. Here, let's pop out a call real quick. Guys, we got turkeys gobbling on both sides of us. I'm set up in this brush jam. Ryan is set up right there. You guys can really see him right about there. We're hoping this one group in front of us comes right down in front of us to meet with this other group of turkeys. So we're gonna stay concealed. Hopefully this one works out. The current time is 5:30 a.m. Alright guys, the sun's up now. We're still sitting in this same spot. It's about 25 minutes later. Definitely still hear that gobbler up there. He's still in his roost. The ones that were behind us and on the side of us, we've both heard them get down, and they're in this private field behind us. So we're hoping these guys, we're gonna try and cut them off if they come this way. But we're all set up right here, and we've been calling to him, and he's still responded. So. Hopefully they come in right down through here. See his head?
Yeah. Shoot him.
I don't know if he has beard.
Oh, yeah.
He has beard. Shoot him. Shoot him. Import. Wait.
I can't see.
Shoot. Shoot the one. Whichever one. No, don't shoot yet. They're too close. Get closer. Walk up close. Ready? You're gonna have to take him. Shoot again. No, don't. You drill them.
Nice.
What do you think of that?
That was awesome.
Oh my gosh, that was 45 yards. Dude, look at him. Look at the other bird there. Look at the other bird. Hold on. Look at this other bird. He's still gonna try and fight him.
Yeah, brother. Alright guys, so we just got this turkey. You know, we were just up there waiting. We were trying to call in this one gobbler. He wasn't coming. So we heard another one down here in the state land. So we just head down, saw him through the brush, popped him.
That was probably 45 to 50 yard shot with a 20 gauge. And you absolutely drilled him.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Uh-huh.
Catch and cook time.
All right.